Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Is Bitcoin a safe haven in the face of an impending recession? Binance in danger due to regulatory pressure. Dogecoin becomes Twitter's logo. Price volatility danger due to token release. PAXFUL, a Bitcoin P2 Pascal's marketplace, suspends its operations. Long-term BNB holders remain optimistic despite Binance's struggle with regulators.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Is Bitcoin a safe haven in the face of an impending recession? The price of Bitcoin has bounced back after rumors of the arrest of Binance CEO CZ, and traders are now eyeing $30,000. The cryptocurrency fell to $27,240 on April 4th, its lowest level since March 28th, following the accidental leak of an encrypted tweet from Kobe's private Twitter account claiming that CZ was wanted by Interpol. However, the market recovered after the rumors lacked evidence. At the moment, Bitcoin was trading above $28,000, and experts believe it will continue to rise to $35,000. Trading firm QCP Capital warned about the imminence of a recession in the United States, but noted that Bitcoin has not yet been tested as a safe haven during a recession. All of this will put Bitcoin to the test, especially with a view to the 2024 halving, which in previous occasions has led to bullish years for Bitcoin. Binance in danger due to regulatory pressure. Regulatory pressure is putting holders' funds at risk on Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, which has seen its market share drop from 70% to 54% in 2 weeks. The U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC) has sued Binance and its founder for offering unregistered cryptocurrency derivatives products, violating federal law. Additionally, the exchange's suspension of the promotion of free trading for certain Bitcoin spot trading pairs has resulted in a more even distribution of market share among other exchanges. Investors must weigh the risks carefully and decide whether keeping funds on Binance or withdrawing them is the most prudent course of action. Dogecoin becomes Twitter's logo. Twitter's logo has been changed to that of Dogecoin, and the cryptocurrency's price has increased by 35%. The logo change is only visible on the desktop version of Twitter and has surprised users of the social network. So far, there has been no official statement from Twitter about this change. Elon Musk's lawyers have requested the dismissal of a $258 billion lawsuit against him, arguing that it is a weird invention by the plaintiffs. Meanwhile, the price of Dogecoin has increased following Twitter's logo change and Musk's legal move. This price increase coincides with moments when Twitter's logo changes occur. It is worth noting that any positive comments about cryptocurrencies, especially Dogecoin, by Elon Musk, can significantly increase the price of the asset in question. Price volatility danger due to token release. Major DeFi, NFT, and metaverse projects will unlock millions of tokens this month, causing concern about short-term volatility and price drops in the market. Token unlocking has become popular as a way to slowly release locked assets into the market over a set period of time, aligning incentives for investors and project stakeholders. Projects include Aptos Token, heavily venture capital controlled, where half of the supply is dedicated to the team, foundation, and investors. Derivatives Exchange DIGES, NFT Collective ApeCoin, Video Game Axie Infinity, BitDAO, and Ronin Network. For instance, tokens worth $7.2 million will be unlocked this week. Token holders should be wary of short-term price volatility during unlocking periods. PAXFUL, a Bitcoin P2 Pascal's marketplace, suspends its operations. PAXFUL, a P2 Pascal's Bitcoin marketplace, has suspended its trading operations on its platform, citing the departure of key personnel and increased regulatory challenges as reasons behind the decision. Users can no longer trade on the platform, but the company assures that all customer funds are accounted for, and that customers' wallets on PAXFUL will be available for users to retrieve their funds. The company recommends users to explore self-custody of their cryptocurrencies, suggesting self-custody wallets such as Exodus Wallet and Moon Wallet. PAXFUL is also offering an easy migration to other options for non-use users, including Nunes and BitNob. The decision comes amid increasing regulatory scrutiny of the cryptocurrency industry, especially in the US. Long-term BNB holders remain optimistic despite Binance's struggle with regulators. Binance's native token, BNB, has experienced a 7% drop due to the CFTC lawsuit, but long-term holders are optimistic according to on-chain data. The average age of the coin, or the amount of time people hold on to the tokens before selling them, has increased by 52% since the local low on March 9th, implying that many investors are holding on to their coins around current prices. Additionally, on-chain data shows that BNB has not lost much traction despite the recent price drop, further validating the bullish outlook. According to market value to realized value data, investors who bought BNB in the last 30 days have a 12% profit, and an imminent rebound to $340 is expected.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking